Hi everyone! In today's video I will show you how to make two different and incredibly tasty high-protein pancakes that are perfect for breakfast and snacks. These protein pancakes have great macros, both of them are low in calories and carbs and contains at least 35 grams of protein. So let's get into it and start with the first recipe, which is a high-protein oat pancake. These pancakes are flourless, rich in fiber, and contain 39 grams of protein. It's very easy to make, just add the 30 grams of oats, protein powder, 1 egg and 150 milliliters of milk to a bowl and mix them. Then prepare the small pancakes in the pan. This amount gives from 6 to 9 pancakes, depending on how big you shape them. As a final touch, drizzle with sugar-free chocolate sauce and top with bananas and raspberries. The next recipe is another alternative to high-protein pancakes. This is a chocolate banana pancake with more than 35 grams of protein. These high-protein pancakes are perfect for weekly meal prep and very convenient to make, as the base requires only 4 ingredients. It's a very quick, healthy breakfast option. All you have to do is mash a banana and mix it with an egg, protein powder and cocoa powder. Then shape mini circle or any size you like and bake them in a pan. Lastly, pour melted peanut butter on it. The ingredients are for one serving, but I think it's very filling, so you can easily divide it into more portions of snacks. So that was today's video. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, healthy and high protein recipes. Hope to see you in the next video.